Hi, in this video we will replace the pump of Ascaso steel machine. The pump electrical coil is completely open and the pump doesn't work at all. To open the machine, first we need to unscrew the two small screws at the back, top back. Then lift the back and pull the cover straight back. These things here, they catch on the screws with nuts here, so don't need to unscrew those, just need to pull the cover back. The pump is located here, and in order to remove it we'll need to remove the housing of the water tank first. But first let's remove the tank from the machine, water tank from the machine. The housing is attached to the frame of the machine with two screws, one here and one here. Also we need to disconnect this hose from the overpressure, which comes from the overpressure valve and back to the water tank. We need to disconnect this hose here. Using small screwdriver, just push the end of the hose and pull a little bit. If you just pull, the hose is not going out like this. And for the other one, we need to remove this filter at the end and pull it out like this. To remove the screws which are holding the water tank housing, you need size 7 mm wrench. Something like this will be more easy to use. And then use your fingers. And the other one, same. The housing is attached at the bottom. We use these two tabs and goes down into two holes. Now we can see the pump and we have access. It's right here. To remove it, we need to disconnect the wires. Remember which wire where it goes. Connectors, you can mark the connectors like this one. Now we need to remove the intake hose from the pump, lower end of the pump. It just needs to be pulled out like this. it has water inside, so you can drain it somewhere. Now we need pliers to hold the top part here where is the overpressure valve, and turn the pump to unscrew it from that part. Now the pump needs to go out of this dampers, rubber dampers. Just pull the top out and the pump comes out. Here it is. The electric coil is shorted and the pump doesn't work. Here is the old pump. And here is the replacement new pump from Amazon. Exact match, same watts, same work rest cycle, 1 to 1.5 minutes. The new pump has covers to protect it from any debris getting inside. You need to remove them. Also, when you remove the old pump, here you have some sealant, usually it's green or red, but this machine already the pump has been replaced once, so it has here Teflon tape, which is a little bit worn. I'll add a little bit more coil, a little bit more Teflon tape to ensure that the connection here is tight and there is no water leakage. You can use this plumber's Teflon tape. Just a few times, it doesn't need to be too thick. When you get the pump, the new pump, it's empty inside. So when you install it and connect the hoses, it may need a little bit help to start because the pump is empty inside and there is no water into the mechanical parts where the piston is. So it may need a little bit help to start. I'll show you how if it doesn't start. First you need to insert the lower end into the rubber holders of the pump. And then the top like this. I'll move the camera on the side so it will be more visible what I'm doing. Now hold the top part and start spinning the pump. Be sure that it's going straight, not to cross thread the plastic threadings. You have to go all the way until the threading is finished and it stops spinning, and keep turning the pump itself until it goes into this position with the connectors on this side. It should look like this. Now connect the wires. Arrange them to the left because the housing of the water tank needs to come here. Now we need to attach the intake hose to the intake and attachment for the pump. You can put a cable tie like this to secure it in place, because sometimes this can come off from the vibrations. It just needs to be pushed in. Yep, that's it. Now we need to put the housing of the water tank in. Be sure that these tabs, two tabs, are going into the hose down there on both sides. Check if the hose is there. Put the filter back. You can check if it's full with some debris, you can clean it. Usually the pump having hard time to start when it's new and empty. You can fill this hose with water, holding it vertically and removing the filter. Use a big syringe and fill this hose with water and tap it like this so the bubbles get out, and then put the filter back. Here is what you can do to ensure that the pump starts immediately. Take the filter out, get a big syringe, this one is 60 milliliters, and slowly fill the hose with water. Hold it vertically and inject slowly water inside, letting the air get out from time to time. Now the hose is filled with water. I won't put the filter yet until the pump starts properly and vents the all air out of the machine, of the system. Now we'll put one empty cup here under the steam wand. Start the machine and turn on immediately this hot water button, opening the hot water valve. Yep, and the machine starts. The pump is working. Now we can put back the filter. And this is how you replace the pump of Ascaso steel. It's a very good machine. It just needs maintenance and it will last you a long time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This helps me to do videos like this. I need more subscribers in order to continue. Thank you. And now let's test the machine, how it works to pull a shot.